Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Sunday Share, where we share the products and tools that we use to make a living with. You can't go wrong with these tools. All you have to do is go click the link and get them, because if you don't, as I always say, they're going to be gone when you go back and procrastinate. As you know, procrastination is the silent killer. You don't want that. So I'm going to share with you today, we're talking about what we use to buff paint with and how quickly it can be done and make it look absolutely beautiful. Then after we're done with this Boomzilla hood, we are going to ceramic coat it with the only ceramic coating we have, and then we won't ever have to really worry about any issues with the paint on Boomzilla again. Let's get moving, grooving, and making it happen, Captain. First off, we're going to talk about our 3M polishing pad. Then we're going to talk about our 3M compounding pad. Then we're going to talk about our 3M compounding pad. Let's get busy. Now, the only microfibers we use when we're dealing with our customers' paint or our own vehicles are these right here. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools, products will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. One of our main products that we love is this one right here, and it's Mother's. You know that. We live by this stuff. And all you do is this right here. Take the Mother's, and we're doing this in direct sunlight. You can wear gloves if you want. Most people that have buns in their hair wear gloves. Just kidding. But it's kind of true. I'm trying to do this quickly because it doesn't take a rocket scientist to do this. And we usually like to start out around 600. Then we'll speed it up to about 1,000. Then we'll jack it up to about 1,300, 1,800. Now this hood is in horrible, horrible condition. Very bad. So we're gonna put Mother's to the test to really do some spanking. Alright, so this is our main compounding pad. They work great. We're going to go to the fluffy compounding pad, which is this one. I prefer this one myself. Now we're going to add a little more Mother's. Right now we're on about 2,200 RPMs. Now because I'm not going to wax this, I'm going to ceramic coat it. All I'll have to do is buff it out with this process that I'm doing right now, and then use our old 99 on it and then ceramic coat. We could get that so shiny right there if we wanted. Look at that shine on it already. Nothing will do the job as a single action buffer, and DeWalt makes a fabulous single action. As you see, I'm holding it flat now. Most of all my mothers is gone, and now I'm just polishing it. Now we'll take the best microfibers on the planet, and we'll do the dual exhaust method. Now we do have a couple little tiny spots up here that are chips, and we'll deal with them later. Now for the finishing touch, we will go with the polishing pad. Now you can do this 2 or 3 times like I just did it and make it look even better than it does now. Well, there you go, folks, right there. Took us less than 5 minutes and it looks absolutely beautiful. Look how nasty that other side is. And look at this side. How did we do it? By using those tools we just shared with you. 5 minutes.